Good morning. Welcome back to winter camp. Today is September 15th. I have a pretty casual day today. Just came out to check on a few things. My garden, my trail cam, replace the batteries, do some scouting for a new location I can see animal tracks now. I brought out a few supplies. I'm going to take a few things home, check on my pantry. Unfortunately in the spring I sprained my shoulder and I won't be able to do any axe or saw work for a while. And this is the time of the year I like to scout for firewood, get a good supply for the winter. So I don't know how the season is going to turn out. I'm just sitting in my shelter, going through the footage on my trail cam. Nothing interesting yet, and there's no trace of a garden out there. Just a really hot, dry summer. Just been going through a few things. My olive oil leaked. I just scraped it off the bottom of this container. You can see it's frozen. I'm going to save all that old olive oil. Got a lot of uses around camp. I could make a oil lamp that will last probably 6 or 7 hours. I just found traces of an old hornet's nest they built on this bag. It's a good thing I didn't come out here during the summer. I would have had quite the surprise. Due to my sprained shoulder, I didn't bring out much for supplies today. Camp towel, a couple of oven mitts for cooking, fireball, new batteries for my trail camera, and in this container some of my dad's ashes. I'm going to spread these around camp. We just had his memorial feast ceremony last week, so hopefully I'll be making a video on that soon. Well, I'm all packed up. I'm going to go for a short hike, look for some animal tracks, and set up my trail cam. Been really having a tough time getting this fire going. Took me at least 4 tries, and if it wasn't for my tinder pouch, there's no way I would have got a fire going today. I got snow falling from the trees. I actually had to build a little roof over top of the fire. I was running around collecting pine sap from the trees. That helped a lot. And then while I was sitting here, a sandhill crane got spooked by me. And when it opened up its wings to fly, it scared the crap out of me. I thought it was a huge animal. Hot apple cider and a good shot of Fireball.